Hey folks, this is Mustafa Ercan from Radar. In this video I will try to explain how you can connect a custom domain to Radar and how you can use it. To connect a custom domain you should navigate settings and then you should switch the custom domain tabs. And in this area you can connect a custom domain by clicking the connect button. I will explain all technical issues later, but before that I want to show you how you can use these custom domains with URL Shortener and Scheduler features. I have some domains, I already connected them to Radar, and after connecting your custom domain or domains, you can use these with our URL Shortener feature. And when you are creating a new link, you can type your long URL, for example a blog post URL, and you can choose the custom domain. You can use our default service, which is this one, or you can use your own domain if you connect it to custom domains. For this case I'm choosing the first one, the default one, and I'm clicking the add button to create it. As you can see, it's already created with our default service. You can copy to clipboard the URL, or you can create a QR code for this URL, or you can edit that URL. And this time I'm choosing one of my custom domains, for example this one, and I'm clicking the save button. As you can see, it's already updated and the link is changed. Also, if you are not happy with the suffix, the meanless ID, you can also customize it, and I'm clicking the edit button again, and these fields you can use to customize it. For example, you can type tools for Instagram, and when you click the save button, as you can see, it's updated with custom suffix. It means you can create more branded URLs with the custom domains and with custom suffix. Also you can use the custom domains with scheduler. For example, if I'm creating a new content, and for example I'm choosing Facebook and Instagram and Twitter to publish, and I'm clicking the stock library, searching for, let's say, Berlin, and inserting this image as a media. Yes, it's uploading. And for example, if you have a long URL in your caption, for example, like this. If you have a long URL in your caption, you can shorten it when it's published. There's a field to choose this option. You can choose don't shorten. If you choose this option, your URL will not be shortened. And you can choose our default URL, default domain, and or you can choose one of your custom domains. And when you choose one of these, your long URL will automatically shorten it when it's publishing to your selected social media profiles. And when you click the schedule now, it will be processed and it will be published in just 2 minutes, and Radar will shorten your long URL according to your choice. It's already published to Facebook. Let's check together. And yes, as you can see, it's already shortened with your choice. Okay. Yeah, that's all for now. You can use custom domains with URL shortener and scheduler features, but we are also working on other features. And when we release them, you will able to use your custom domains with that features. You can watch this tutorial video always by clicking the watch the training video, this button. And let's continue with technical issues. To connect a custom domain, you should update your DNS records. And if you are creating a CNAME, you can point to this subdomain. Or if you are creating a record, you should point it to this IP address. Let me show you. And if you are using CloudFlare, which is best service as a DNS service, let me show you. For example, I'm clicking the add record button and I'm choosing a record and typing, let's say, go seconds, go to, and I'm typing the IP address which is given in the instructions, and when I click the save button, it will be created. Then I will able to connect it to Radar like this. You can always delete your records, delete your custom domain, and you can always delete your records. Or if you are creating a CNAME, it's totally up to you. For example, go seconds. This time you should type our subdomain for targets. Okay. And there is another issue, and if you are using CloudFlare, you can enable the CloudFlare proxy. If you enable it, it means this subdomain will have a SSL certificate provided by CloudFlare, which is cool. And if you don't use CloudFlare, but you want to have SSL certificate, after creating your A record or CNAME record, please contact with us. We will set up your SSL certificate, free SSL certificate. Okay, that's all about DNS setup. And also there is another option. For example, if you want to create a custom domain like subfolder, subdirectory under your exist domain, you can use our custom domain proxy. Actually, it's very simple PHP script. You can download from here, and after creating your subfolder and downloading these files, you should upload these files into your subfolder. And when you open the zip file, you will see the files here. Okay, and you can upload these files using FTP client under your subfolder. For example, I created a folder under our main domain, and I uploaded these script files into that subfolder. Then you will able to connect that to your custom domains screen. Yeah, that's all about custom domains. I know it sounds a little bit tricky and a little bit scary, but if you have experience with DNS issues or hosting issues, I think you will handle it very easily. If you don't, maybe you can try to get some help from your friends. And if you don't have any friends, you can always send an email to us and we can try to help you. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy with this video, and I hope you can take benefit of these features. Take care. Bye bye.